If 5 people take D days to install the plumbing for a house, then how many days would it take 2 people to complete 1/3 of the same job? Assume the people work at the same rate. So, first of all, it says 5 people take D days. So 5 people, let's write it out as a ratio. So you don't know how many days, so we're just gonna write it as D. And now it's asking for 2 people to complete 1/3 of the same job. So first of all, let's just ignore the 1/3 right now. So normally we would just plug in the 2 here and then calculate what x. And this question is very special because we're not just doing 2 times d divided by 5. That is wrong. So let's just think about this. So just clear your mind. Just stop thinking anything and listen to me. So, for example, 5 people take 1 day to install, to do something, okay? 5 people take 1 day. Now, if there are only 2 people doing it, if there are 5 people, right? 5 people. Sorry, my horrible drawing. So there are 5 people doing a job. For example, they're making a house, and the time taken to do that is 1 day, for example. 1 day. And if there are only 2 people working on a house, then the time, will it be longer than the 5 people doing the house, or will it be shorter? It will be longer because 2 people, there are less people doing something. Then it will take more time to do that thing. So when we have this type of question, we're going to do inverse ratio. So what I mean is we're not going to do 2 times d divided by 5. Instead, we'll do the opposite way. So 5 times d is equal to 2x. Because normally we would do 2d equals to 5x, and now we're doing the opposite. So 5d equals 2x. So first of all, we want to know what x is. So 5d over 2 gives us x, because 2 and x are multiplying each other, and we want to do the exact opposite. Now, as you can see, we have 5d over 2 for b. Now be careful here. It asks to complete 1/3 of the same job. So here, this is the whole job, and we only want to know 1/3. So 5d over 2. Now, what is 1/3 in mathematics? It means 1 over 3. 1/3 is 1 over 3. So we just times it. So 5 times 1 gives us just 5d. And 2 times 3 gives us 6. So here we cannot simplify anymore, and we don't know what d is. So we're just gonna leave the answer as 5d over 6. So the correct answer is C.